Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, baby. I will be Michelle. This is your boy, official Starboy Virus. Someone will say, yeah, we say trend night, assassin. And a trend night, and my day, Brahma, Finn, Brahma, powerful stars. In part, one subscriber, you are losing a lot. This year, talk of movies, talk of series, talk of short skits. Hey, a baby to say, chaka. It's our own subscriber, subscribing to official Starboy Virus TV. Let me a bell notification. But take one crying now, shoot. I feel you move me and one of them. It made you still subscribe.
Baby. See, when you come on and I come there, I can feel it because it wasn't normal. Our friend me apologize. Me cry, me catch on. They say, okay, me no any issue. Me the actual. He still insisted on seeing me. Now they make us, you know, I just have to say, sir, me say, I said me there, child, me any issue against you. Hey, I just wanted to call you, let you know that I'm sorry. And I'm saying, me there, child, don't worry.
Do you like him? Or do you still love him?
Why are you asking me that?
Yo. What then I here?
I don't know.
So, on that so down now,
the most important thing is that I feel
no. Hey, don't play smart here. I know you. You still love him, right?
I don't know. I'm not sure I do.
No, hey. Look into my eyes and tell me you don't love him.
I don't know. I'm confused. Maybe part of me wants him.
No. You still want him.
You think I do? I don't know. Okay, in case I do, what should I do?
In case you do. Because look at your face and your body language, everything should say.
Like, me who no, you know, the spark is there, the energy is there. Of course, definitely it will revive. But I'm just
and you know, sending out him no.
And he's looking more handsome like now than before. So, and you want to meet me as I go back.
Hey, something is knocking something somewhere.
Is that what you see?
No, because I know you. You're talking about a guy like this is something very, you know.
It's unusual. Maybe I still love him.
So
maybe. I don't know. But
hey, somebody is in love. Baby.
Or apologize for whatever. I feel shoot that is also about from class or the SCB and I'm interested.
I hope it's genuine though. Yeah, I would say cow better sand people do it.
Also, what's number more because some people are maybe anti. I can't imagine. I feel no concern of our promising a home on Shemi Subi, Saka be no Casam Simen, Jehono, Saka Sakasavina with Giantino. Mean Trabi Bia, so or Casabi, but
and you actually fell for the words. No.
Oh, so I still be gift to what they want to make us a one. I don't know. Say
yes, I lady me honestly. First time who virus. I don't know why you're actually refusing my main kind of offer. Meaning the entire money sick in restaurants. Is she buying you with the money or something?
As a man Casano, be a Madiana, a quiet to send me pin back now, be Philippines. I don't like the idea.
Pains? Are you talking about pains? Look at the pains she's making you go through. Have you realized?
But things were like that. But like I said, the West. Never be like I said, mean contain it though, but. Just I don't know who here no one selling who here the armor one of the blues many machine in the way.
So you mean to tell me instead of say I apologize or they gift amount the next minute or better react no sign the apology but side the gift amount till how long? Because when him say you can't go. Ain't no one so
there is time for everything. No, there are none comes.
Oh, but I was saying there is time, but I just want you to just man up, just know that okay at this point no. Me make a final decision. Me see can me, you know. Hey. To bet now how many this car apologizes. I'm not saying friend. Many this car apologizes. They be another this car. They be another this.
So like the whole thing now, maybe I won't tell you.
Like, yeah, okay.
Maybe you don't understand.
Sorry. Yeah, baby girl. Me wo your hostel streets be there what area mo hona no. Yeah. Me didn't come 1 minute. I dem up on lectures. Okay, what they bra around me? Yeah, you bet me about the bra. Me around. Okay, all right. My roommates, no.
Ah, okay.
So
Oba.
yeah, I'm saying bra. So on lectures.
It's really. I said the Andra no and Karan Hossain mobile. Frankly speaking.
Yeah, no. Sympathy. So we work more brother no so discounting. More some day I just although more some day I just really can't say much cause as a mechanic baby I say I'm fighting for myself in Suntin and mechanic baby but I want the best for you, you know. So it's a relationship only a young I dare channel discussion envelope my bro only a young I dare channel structure come on.
Conversation we want my be could the air course and person me catch because
hi babe. Hey, not there. My father call lectures me.
Let's see. Hello.
hi.
Oh, I see. You look good.
Okay, verse. That's my roommate.
Oh.
On the only mo asem but. Okay, mo both mo me and
Matu hun bebre. Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
The feminine ya.
O tell no asem say.
Yeah, but then you wanna catch me.
What do you sell out to?
Oh.
Anyway,
Also.
What's it?
Okay.
I'm
hungry at this point. I want to eat.
Okay, and that's why we team a crack of
Yeah, okay.
More the young restaurant go around there.
Okay, baby. You could do right?
Be a gentleman.
I'll say me women cause
No, it's fine.
Maybe you guys want.
It's fine.
Oh,
yeah,
it's a gentleman too. Wow.
Nana, Obika is a Ghana restaurant. They come to Amemit now. Say, so when they come to crab west, and they never come and do. And I go where they. As I should be named some way be.
So when you say Donald like zero.
Other day.
The son of the moon say, I didn't a movie, you know.
Babe, and you're on fire, so. Other day, at least, I've been trying so hard. I said, like, me for semi whole crowd on this. And Adia, wait, let me explain. Adia, we've shared something before, yo. It's not. Me need data or she has some way. Ting, yeah. Talk to him.
I don't think so. I was a Cassibo, but
anyway, our husband,
it can't be real, but I just want an assurance. That's it.
And then you can say, dear, oh man, your man, I am Brahman, and Kaukasabino. Say, Banner says, a way she take a cabin about me. They can come. Would you tell me a muscle now? Well, you guys look good together.
Oh, can you shake up mommy? Yeah, mommy's scout. He doesn't want to admit.
Someone's in here, I say, bad discussion.
You caught him?
Anyway,
I don't want to come to
she's my friend.
do I catch her?
She's my friend. I mean, find your man, say that, but
Obviously, no, meaning baby, of course. I can't tell the same number of and I had the way I say, what's the way? I say, oh, say, it means that you chick a cow and temprano. The smile on your face is no, it tells it all.
I don't start say, or Chiantino, say, Obido be genuinely as no matter what, and fun plans just like that. At least we're changing from no matter what.
Oh, really? They say, oh, they said, maybe I may start here.
That's a maybe the situation.
Oh, really? They mean I may walk here. But if you really wanted me, I can make on so you would have followed me, right? Oh, shame I make call here. And to know you mean now we had phones. And I'm and come on, I'm so interested in that. You're correct, you say I'm hungry.
So, the new so I can't have them say, Poban can buy, but I than for it. But you say, you said, oh, was or you will not happen. We just lost communication, and that is it. Okay. The wedding, no money. Mia come there was some warm mobile. What I said. He's in love with somebody else. I don't think so.
We say something at the right place. You know how it's not healthy.
So I'm sorry, are you in love with someone?
No, you're better than the person is satisfaction.
You know I always miss you. Of course I do. I just got to my hostel. Great. Okay, that's fine. I'll be expecting you then. Take care. You know I love you. Bye. Dear Sam, you always eavesdrop on people's conversation. Guess who? Unzip. Guess who? You're not going to talk. Talk!
I don't know.
I don't know, but that's messy. To say me, I found him, baby.
Yo.
I just want to take control of him. Like, I want to win him. Like, I want to put him in my shelves. Like, I want to take control over him.
Prophetess.
I don't know if you are with me or you're not. Because, to say Minyana, there is no way I am losing him. Not anymore. Bro, Mama Bray.
So what are you going to do?
What am I going to do? I saw Baba Vestemi. So I am planning to leave a memory in his head.
Okay, then I will have to go out so that you guys can.
Are you kidding me?
Your private time.
You're part of this game we are going to play.
Meaning?
Meaning, you are going to help me achieve what I want. So, sad memory, no?
Like how?
What about a threesome?
What? You don't mean it.
What is wrong with
Hey, if it is a joke, just hold it there, please.
Baby, it's
count me out.
It's
no.
Fun. Trust me,
it's
you
not
will
happening.
Love it.
No, I'm not doing it.
You are.
What?
Right here. We are doing that threesome right here.
Hey.
Into anytime you're about breakfast, no.
No.
That is what we are going to do.
I can do anything, but this one. No, count me out. No, I can't even imagine myself doing this with you.
That is going to be a first time. In anything, there is actually a first time. Yes.
Hey.
Trust me, you will love it. Believe me. What did you prepare? I'm hungry.
No, this issue is not simple like that.
Very simple.
Mama,
you okay, babe?
What is it, bro?
Are you fine?
What am I say Drake pa?
What's it?
Drake.
Yeah, I can see.
I'm sure being calm way.
Oh, so cool.
You okay?
So cool. But it's fun to be with.
Yeah. That's why she's my roomie.
But do you want to see Shana say or Ferrari or Ferrari?
Anyway, I'm going to some Ferrari.
That you call you are not a restaurant or a review.
Yeah. So no acting
You
shy.
like my locks, right?
Yeah.
Locks.
Nice.
I'll lock it.
I think no quite guys and the looks no to me kind of bra. When you
26.
26. I'm gonna say 8 too.
26.
Hey, Wobble, be careful, behave, okay?
My boy.
Wobble. So are you in the mood? Are you sure you are in the mood?
Yeah, sure. Very sure.
You are?
Yeah.
Let me help you.
Someone is calling my phone.
Who the hell is calling your phone at this time?
Yeah. Where's you one now? As I have a premium home. Oh God.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm fine.
You see. Open down. I know what you see. Nay.
No, what's watching it? Good.
Oh, I see.
No, what's watching it?
That's all.
Let me help you with the other parts.
Which one?
Let me do that for you.
Unbutton me. A lot of them say unbutton me.
I'll do exactly that.
There are a lot of movie. You gotta just unbutton me.
She has no problem. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. She's fine. What's the important thing? Let me help you do it. Okay? Good, baby.
I missed this one. You doing this?
You do.
It's crazy.
I do know you do. I do know you do.
I missed this thing.
I know, right? Oh, take it easy. Take it easy, you know? Take it easy.
I do it for my hood. And you get it, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it
You
for
were
my
safe.
hood. And you get it,
That's
cause
safe.
we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood. And you get it, call up, cause we know they hear what you say.
I take control of the sound part, you know.
You like this?
I'm ill, I roll, I kill.
You like it?
Fucking was a race, I've been in next flight to Jamaica. Punches, hot knockers, I spin on this
I'll take phone. Let me just feel that
my food is the best. Wake up early from this money dreaming. I'm flawless, I'm early for this party, but my sneakers is the latest.
Okay.
I stood in my hood, started in the country, but next year I will wake up in a new Bugatti. That means in my hood, we got luck, we lucky. The girls, them fresh, better like them jockeys. I keeping on making it dope, keeping on rapping and making the hits. Girls, keeping on shaking their body, now they ready to water. We give it to them everywhere we go. We make them then we make them nine, Tom free flow. Yeah, and me try now who ni go to. Who ni material can palu ta them tiakumo. Yeah, me better. And tina them better. When you know who is me better. Look who wanna for finish. Say me rap your mama of him now my brain. I'm a TNT star doing this for my. Baby. I do it for my hood. And you get it, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood. And you get it, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood. And you get it, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. I do it for my hood. And you get it, call up, cause we know they hear what you say. I'm ill, I roll, I kill all these fake dudes. Got away from hardcore, so call me Mr. Hood. If rapping was a race, I've been in next flight to Jamaica. Punches, hot knock focus, I'm spitting on this hater. Whole lot of rappers up in this game. Everybody wanna rap, but my hood is the bestest. Wake up early from this money dreaming. I'm flawless.